The driving factors for PureLine developing the MDS system is the current move away from ethylene oxide or reducing the use of ethylene oxide in medical device sterilization and decontamination systems. Ethylene oxide is a great sterilizer. It's a true gas. It penetrates deep into products and deactivates and kills pathogens readily. But it's also a very long-lived chemical. It has carcinogenic effects when humans are exposed to it. It's also incredibly explosive in air, so there's a lot of precautions and problems with its use. It's also very hard to detect if it's around. You're not going to smell or sense it at very dangerous levels where you could be exposed to it. Chlorine dioxide has a lot of advantages in that regard. It can't replace ethylene oxide in all regards, but chlorine dioxide is a true gas as well, almost the same molecular size as ethylene oxide, giving it just about the same penetration properties. It doesn't have any carcinogenic effects. It's a true oxidizer. Because it's a gas and works on the electrochemical basis of attack, much like ozone or peroxide, it's very effective at killing viruses, bacteria, spores, those types of things. It's been used to sanitize, decontaminate, and sterilize since the late 80s in development. So it's not new in that regard, but it's new in the medical device sterilization world, just because ethylene oxide was a low-cost, effective solution, but with the rise of issues with its safety concerns and environmental impact, this chemical, which readily breaks down into naturally occurring salts, is the top contender to almost directly replace it. Almost anything that ethylene oxide can do, chlorine dioxide can, but doesn't have the long-lasting effects. It doesn't remain within the product that you treat. Ethylene oxide often remains within especially porous items for days or weeks after its treatment. So a lot of them have to go to special degassing chambers and sit for a very long period of time before they're safe for people to handle without special PPE. And of course, you can't have a product that's inherently dangerous just because there's a chemical on it. Chlorine dioxide breaks down into basically sodium chloride table salt when it's done with its reaction. In fact, chlorine dioxide and its use is able to be certified for organic use through OMRI. A lot of our products are used that way, where we use them on food and personal devices and things like that have intimate contact with skin and other people.